Let me show you how to create profile picture in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, go to Ellipse tool and draw ellipse with 1080 by 1080 pixel. Change the ellipse color. Align into the center. Now duplicate the ellipse layer. Hold Alt and decrease size of ellipse. Change the ellipse color. Now place the image. Adjust the image position and size. Now duplicate the image layer. Drag down this layer. Hide both layers and select image layer and create clipping mask. Unhide both layers. Select man layer and add layer mask. Go to the brush tool and brush the outer surface of circle. Now go to the blending options and drop shadow. Follow these settings. Now select ellipse layer and go to blending options. Drop shadow and follow these settings. Select ellipse 1 layer and go to blending options and add stroke. Now add new layer and select brush tool. Brush hardness must be 0. Increase the brush size and brush like this. That's it. Profile picture is ready. Subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.